So now I want us to proceed to styling our avatar, whole section avatar. So as we all know, so far in this series, we'll have our avatar.css. Okay. So once we have our avatar.css, here we always import css slash avatar.css. Okay. Now, since we have that, let's take a brief look at avatar.jsx and see the kind of logic we have there so far, if it's actually appealing for us. So basically we have this. Now for avatar, we're going to need our image. Okay, we need to import our image. Image img from img slash what? Okay, we need to locate the path img slash, well, I'll just say let's rename my image to something easy. Okay, let's see img, where are you? Can just rename it to, oh well, let's just replace this image, okay, to something maybe more appealing to us. I'll just replace it in my image. Okay. Sorry, that entered the wrong direction. So I'll move it then. Select this. Right. Yeah. So now within our avatar, right, what we will have is import. So we have our image, right? We'll just import img from img here, then slash tests. Sorry, so the image is test.jpg, test.jpg. Okay, now warning is been defined but never used. So now here we have division. Now, know before, let's see, according to our design, we have the image and then this. So the image come before these two texts. So let's see, yeah, image, then these two texts. Okay, so now within this section, right, that's, we're going to add our image here. So since it's React, we have img avatar. All right, so that looks better. So, oh, the image is pretty large. Okay, now we are going to see how we're going to fit that in. Okay, if not, we'll use an image with less complications or less size. Okay, so let's give a class name section avatar. All right, now within a section avatar, there we're going to reduce the size of our image. We have a section avatar, so class name display of flex wrap. Okay, align items to the center. We'll give a margin as we always use, and give a padding. Let's see that and see how it looks like. still looks really terrible. Well, let's work on our image before we get there and see section avatar img. Reduce the width of, let's see, iframe and the height. So, well, that looks more better. Now the border radius. Border radius, or set it to like 50%. Nice. Okay. Let me do a little bit of margin. Looks better. Let's add like some media queries. Okay, looks kind of makes sense. Okay, now what are we lacking here? I think the width of that fits better. Let's see. Okay, icons don't actually display. That means there is a problem somewhere. Okay. There is an issue with our icons not displaying in our input. Let's go back there and see what's wrong with our icons. Input, the icons not displaying on the input. Why could that be the case? Sorry. Okay, let's just go through this again. All right. Okay, let's check. Set state to false, for ref to null. If it's visible, we check here that's not visible. They get a focus section of class name of section input. We have that and that for our container. Our lock closed outline to be this, which works fluently without any issue. If our input type is visible, we check for our text or our password. Okay, then if it's visible, okay, we check for the eye outline. All right, if we check for that, okay, if it's visible, check. Don't we check for this? Okay, we check for eye outline, name, outline and all. Then later on, if it's not visible, just do a manual check. And then let's see, still doesn't display. Okay, why it isn't displaying? All right, but this shows this is done well. Let's see the CSS for input. Okay. Input, everything's okay. Ion icon, sorry. Put. Everything looks good. Good. Right, well, we have an issue. Ion icon, ion icon, same thing. Right, let's check out documentation, usage, using the web components. If you're using this, so by this default. If you're using this, okay, populate the name attribute to the component. Okay, we have this. We have this well set up. We have the name. We have everything in place. So why it's not displaying to us? Okay. For field, you have this outline. Block closed. Name for the field. So why don't we have a result for that? Okay. Apparently, everything works fine. Place the following at the end of your page. We did that already, right? Okay. Then we have all that set up, right? If I'm not mistaken. Okay. All that is okay. Sorry. All right. Everything looks perfect. Let's try shutting down and restarting the server, okay? And see if that's going to work. Let's see. Oh, we were not in the project, so cd to password component, then do npm start. So let's run on a new tab. So basically we have the same thing. So now we will proceed to deployment. So we have some issues with the ionic icons not actually working as supposed to be. So yeah, see you in the next video for deployment.